Hello and welcome to a new episode of Stocks Advisor channel. In today's episode, we will talk about NortonLifeLock Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name NLOK. NLOK is declining already from actually, let's say, 8th of November after showing this very classical evening star candle here. And then the price actually is now depleting from the level of 22 all the way until 1829 of today. And today we see another dark candle, doji-like. So the question is it really the end of the downwards trend, or we will still have some move? And for this, we need to understand actually the overall chart situation and where we're heading actually. So let's do a quick analysis for NLOK. First of all, what we need to remember here is that all three moving averages are depicted here in this daily chart. It's moving average 20, 50, and 200 being correspondingly green, blue, and red lines. Here on the left, you see their depictions. And if you look carefully at those lines, you see that actually a few days ago, we saw magic cross down of moving average 20, hitting moving average 200 here. And indeed, it caused also the further decline of the price. Also, you see that soon we will have another magic cross down when moving average 50 will hit from the top moving average 200, but the price action already did decline. So what might happen actually, it will be either a decelerator of decline or momentarily bullish effect. Similarly, we saw momentarily bullish effect, for example, previous cases, like you can see here in the end of June. That when moving average magic cross down happens, but if the price is already declining, then it works as actually as a bullish effect here. So we might have similar situation, although a little bit further decline of the price might be observed. So overall, what we have in general, it's more or less like a downtrend here. So you can only play kind of a quick reverse and attractor game, meaning that moving average 20 here works as an attractor together with moving average 50. So this couple works as an attractor, so price wants to return there. Similarly, we saw this situation already on 10th of November when the price did jump up and then immediately continued the decline. So this is the only play you can momentarily do. There is still no indication of full reversal because this should be with a catalyst. And with this having said, you have here several downtrends. So one of them is the top trend. This one you can clearly see here. It's, let's call it R1. It's too high to reach it, but if any we go higher, this would be very reasonable and serious discussion if we can pierce this one. So another downtrend from a lower side that we can see here is actually this one. And if you look carefully, there is still some place to go down. So this is R2. And what could happen here, the price still might deplete to these levels and then reverse, make a spike. So that would be therefore the advised level to buy, because already we're sitting at another line here. We just slightly pierced it, this support line, so probably we'll go a little bit further down. So it's actually already advised slowly to enter, and we don't see here on this scale of the chart, but let's say it would be something between actually 18 and look more carefully 18 and 1750. So all between these would be the first enter point here you can play with. So let's write it here, actually 18 to 1750. And then we should see a quick reverse because moving average 20 is indeed starting to work as a very strong support attractor here, not support of course. And if you will think to which level we can make a quick return, of course it could be still all the way until R2, but this is extreme case. So most reasonable levels could be actually either this level, which is just around 1940, or there is still even lower ones. So you can clearly see it's actually this one. It's something about 1880. So in between these two would be the most safe area to sell. So this would be S1, S2, and the last one S3 line. So actually exit would be advised in between S2, S1 if you start at this circle, because by that time also moving average 20 and 50 will approach there, so they will work if you would imaginarily continue drawing them with similar colors, actually they will be something like this. And there you can expect them to be as a ceiling of the upwards trend. So in that sense, it's a quick play. Then we will really need to see how it's going to play further, because in this stock it's still on decline. We need to wait for some serious reversal. But once it takes place, so once there is any line that pierces through the level actually of this, let's draw it carefully, of this middle of the channel here, let's call it R3. So if we pierce R3, this would be a very serious discussion. And actually then immediately it will be about can we pierce further R1, or we create a little bit less negative, let's say, downwards trend. So until we reach those levels, still it's unclear, and it's advised just to make a quick play from this dark circle until S1, S2, and then see how it behaves further. Overall, the stock is declining, so we'll need to see where it stops. This should be, of course, with some catalyst or some news coming. Until that is just a quick technical play here. On this, we can finish for NLOK. Again, if you're first time watching this video on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. Also, you might be interested to watch other videos at our channel, since we give advice from 1 to 5 weeks in advance. Therefore, older videos where the date just means that the date when it was placed on the channel could be just happening now. So the situation discussed there could be just happening now. This way you might look at, if you like the analysis, you can place your targets and make the play and some profits. We also post several videos, 5, 7 nowadays we try every day, and therefore there are many opportunities you can try. If something is not working, then you can try with another one. And not working means that it's not that you lose money, but it just doesn't go to low levels, because we always try to predict the safest entries. Therefore, sometimes they cannot be reached, but we think it's okay, because better to lose opportunity to buy than to lose the money. And therefore, we give a lot of different stocks discussions. Therefore, once it works, you can make reasonable real profit on this. So watch our videos. Also, please write in our comments how you like the analysis. Maybe you want to have something new, something extra, and then we will try to make it on our channel. With this, thank you, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.